Hey y'all, Mr. Kyle, Myers Mathematics, and let's just jump into it. This is Visualizing Data, Kuta Software Infinite Algebra 1. We are trying to draw a histogram for each data set. So we're on number 8. It's the last one. Average lifespan. So I guess that's, how long each of these animals tends to grow in the wild. Because I'm sure that my pet lion, Rufus, will probably live much longer than 35. But that is still a long time. I mean, you think like an average house cat, like it's good if it lives, I don't know, like 20 years or so, right? So lions are doing pretty good actually. So let's go ahead and organize this data. In order to put it into a histogram, we need to know how many of each category there is. So let's see. How about in the 5? So starting with 5, it looks like there's nothing less than 5, right? So in the 5, and so there's a bracket there because we'll start at 5 and then maybe go, I could go to 15, but I think the thing that lives the longest is the macaw at 50. So we could, or we can go by 5s. I think we'll go by 5s. I think we got space for it. So we'll go by 5s. So 5 to 10. So including 5, but not including 10. So we'll do that first. And then we'll do from 10 to 15. So we'll do that next. But how many are from 5 to 10? Okay, well, not including 10, so we're not including the cottontail. Not yet. Looks like just the eagle is between 5 and 10. Including 5, not including 10. Okay, so just one. All right, so then from 10 to 15. So including 10, not including 15. How many? Well, we have the cottontail. So from 10 to 15. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, a lot of them. 1, 2, and then 3, and 4, 5, because we're not including those 15s. But still 5. That's still a lot. Okay. Then what about from 15 to 20? So from 15 to 20. So not including 20, right? So including 15, not including 20. Looks like just the 2. Oh, no, 3, because there's 18 right here. So 1 and 2 and 3. 3 of those. All right, what about from 21 to 25? And this is just part of the process, right? So, I mean, it's a little tedious, but you have to know how many things there are in each category in order to, make your histogram. So it takes a little bit of time, but it's just, you got to do what you got to do. Know what I'm saying? Oh, you know what? I said 21 and I meant 20. 20 to 25. Here we go. So from 20 to 25. Looks like just the two 20s there. So 2. All right, what about from 25 to 30? 25 to 30. 25 to 30. Looks like there's just the 1. Okay. So there's just that 1 there from 25 to 30. And what about 30? Just 1. 30. Running out of space here. 35. Okay, 30 to 35. And you know what? Where else can I draw? Could I draw right there? No, you guys wouldn't be able to see it. maybe here's what we'll do. We'll put our histogram above my face, and then we'll clear out a couple of these. That way we can do more. So we'll do that. Okay. But real quick, we'll clear that out for a second. 30 to 35 looks like a 0. A big old goose egg. So, there's that. All right, let's use green for the actual histogram. So it looks like so far the biggest is 5, and it doesn't look like there's going to be more than 5 because there's less than 5 things even left. So we don't need to go up any higher than 5. So when we draw a graph here, the frequency frequency. I just woke up, so I'm a little delirious. Lo siento. So frequency. And then we only go up to 5. So let's see. Make sure I spell that right. And 2. And I spaced that out a lot, but it's fine. Wonder if it's like too many tabs open or something. Might be. I just keep lots of tabs open. And normally I get rid of my tabs before I start a video, but I think I forgot because I'm a winner. So that's why things are a little slow today, but we're almost done now. So we're almost there. 1, and then we're going to go this way. So there's that. Okay. And then we have our 5 to 15 ratio, or interval. So 5 to 15. Or sorry, 5 to 10. 5 to 10. 10 to 15. 15 to 20. 25 to 30. And then 30 to 35. That's what we've got so far. We use blue to fill these in. So from 5 to 10, we've got 1. From 5 to 10, got 1. There we go. So we got that one. From 10 to 15, we got 5. That's a lot. There we go. All right, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. We're moving right along now, see? 15 to 20, we've got 3 of those. 15 to 20. Then 20 to 25. So we got 2 of those. Now it's starting to look good. Yay, histograms. All right. 25 to 30. And then there are none for after that. I think I miscounted. Oh, well, that happens. 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. Okay, there are none from 30 to 35, so that one will be blank, but I do need to list that in there. So let's make the rest of my bars here. So from 30 to 35, that one's going to be blank. Then from 35 to 40, and then from 40 to 50, but I guess we can probably just go from 40 to like 55 or something after that. So we can probably just go like all the way to the end. The bars are supposed to be the same. Well, you know what? Nah, we'll be good. We'll be good. It's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. Right here. Probably going to just need to slide that over at this point. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Waiting on that lag. That lag is strong right now for some reason, and I don't know why. I think it's the tabs. We got lots of tabs open here. I was making some memes. I guess memes take up space. Okay. So what about, let's see, do I need to move this over? I think I'll just move the whole thing over. Let's do that. Let's erase this. And then this. And then this. That. These. And all of that. And then wait for that lag to show up. You could do it. I believe in you. And then we'll need to move that table over. And then we can, once we clear out everything here. There we go. And we need to move this whole table over, I believe, because we're going to need some more space, actually. So I'm going to grab this whole table. As long as it doesn't crash. There we go. You can do things. I believe in you. Totally. Whee! Oh, gotta let it have some time. It just did a big thing. It needs time to breathe. Hold on. And then we're gonna do the next categories, right? So we have, and do I have space to move that? Can I move that up? Nah, it's fine. It's fine. So I need to get rid of all that. And then we need our categories for the next couple categories here. So we have, this is the 5, so 5 to 10. Then we have the 10 to 15. Then we have the 15 to 20. We have the 20 to 25. 25 to 30. This one that's empty is going to be 30 to 35. There are none, because remember, we're including the first number, not including the second number. So that way it's always the same each time, right? So including the 5, not including the 10. So there's only one 5, nothing between 5 and 10. And then we're not including 10, right? And then now we're on the 30 to 35. There were none that were exactly 30, 31, 32, 33, or 34. And it seems like they didn't do any decimals here. So next up would be 35 to 40. 35 to 40. So that's not including the 35, or sorry, including the 35, other way around. Not including the 40. Looks like just one. All right, so just one. Then we've got 40 to 45. And from 40 to 45, looks like we got 2. Right? So from 40 to 45, we've got 2. And then 45 to 50, technically we would have none. That's why I was thinking about like skipping some. So I was like, oh, that would just be faster. But no, we should probably do it the right way. Let it just happen the right way. The way it's supposed to be. The way it's probably in your teacher's little cheat sheet that they're holding in front of them, because they probably looked it up, because you can actually find the answers to these online, but that doesn't teach you how to actually do it. So that's what I'm here to do. Help you to do it. So 40 to 45, there's 2 of those. And then 45 to 50, there's actually none. 45 to 50, there's actually 0 of those. And then 50 to 55, we've got 1 of those. So 50 to 55, we've got 1 of those. Okay, and looks like, oh wow, even the lag over here. That's crazy. Some serious lag going on here. Well, it is what it is. So, you know. All right, let's go ahead and get ready to shade. Put some shade on this. Once it's done, oh my goodness. It is really slow, y'all. I'm sorry. I apologize for that, Rodder. There it is. Okay. I'm going to take off my shoe and point it at my computer. I will send you to Jesus. Okay, so 30 to 35. 35 to 40, 1 of those. 1 of those. Come on. You can do it. And 40 to 45. 40 to 45. Got 2 of those. There we go. 50 to 55. Sorry, 45 to 50. None of those. And then 50 to 55, we've got 1. So that very last category over here. Got 1 of those. Okay. So that's it. Let me go ahead and label the categories just so I'm doing everything the same way here. My bars are just a little bit crooked. Not all of them are the same width, but you know, when you draw it, I'm sure yours will look much better. So I challenge you to draw one that looks better than mine. And then maybe you can like post a picture in the comment. Can you post pictures in comments? I don't know if you can, but if you can, go for it. If not, and you really want to send it to me, you can just shoot it in an email because I put my email on all of these things so far. Until I become famous, and then I'll take it down, right? Because too many people with my email. No, it's my business email, so I guess I should probably leave that up, right? 45 to 50, and then 50 to 55. 50 to 55. There we go, folks. There it is. There's our histogram. Okay, cool. We made it. That's how you do it. That's how you do all of this. This was the last question. Done with visualizing data. You can stop visualizing. Just walk around with your eyes closed now because we're done. That was the video. Hopefully it was helpful. You know, do the things, all that. Great job. Yeah, also, though, down below, I do have my email in all of my videos, pretty sure. And I also have my link to my website, myersmathematics.com, where you can grab my free guide, The 5 Math Mistakes Everyone Makes and How to Avoid Them. You can also shoot me an email if you're interested in tutoring. And on my website, there's a link for the tutoring page as well. So check it out. If you need anything else, let me know. Shoot me any kind of ideas you might have for future videos, anything that you would like to see me make a video on. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Blessings, y'all.